this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromecast to the TV iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using a Chromecast with an iPhone is super simple. First, make sure that the Chromecast has been properly plugged into your TV, so plug it in using the appropriate port here. And after that is done, if needed, plug it to a power outlet using the included cable. So you will plug it into the Chromecast and then give it the necessary amount of power. Once the Chromecast has been properly set up on the TV, next you will need to download the Google Home app. So go into the App Store and look for Google Home. This is where you will be able to set up your Chromecast. So go into the Devices tab, usually over here at the bottom, and when you access Devices, choose the option to add a new one. Now select Google Nest or Home or Partner Device, You will see it listed here, Chromecast, so choose this secondary option. Now, after a couple of seconds or even up to a minute, the Chromecast should be detected as long as you are in close proximity. If it is not detected, you can try restarting it, plugging it again into a different port, and after you give it a couple of seconds, up to a minute, it is going to be set up. So now you can choose yes and start using your Chromecast through Google Home. You will have to choose a Wi-Fi network to connect to, so choose any network that you would like to use. And once you have it selected, tap Next and finish setting it up through Google Home. After it is connected to a Wi-Fi network, it is going to appear on your list of devices, and you can choose the options to cast your screen, use the virtual remote, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because, as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.